Hi, my name is Maasoomeh. This week in our meditation center, we were reflecting on me who has lots of expectation. Looking back at my life before I started meditation, I was raised in a family and a culture that had so many expectations. I was expected to be polite, listen to my parents and elders, study hard, achieve excellent grades, go to college, and so many other expectations. I felt like my life purpose was simply meeting those expectations, and I had to prove my skills and abilities. I, if I couldn't meet those standards, I ended up feeling disappointed in myself, which negatively affected my self-confidence. For example, I felt the need that always need to be active, busy, and from my childhood, I internalized this belief that I shouldn't be lazy and I need to be productive at all the time. I even struggled to rest when I was sick because I felt guilty about it. Meditation has allowed me to reflect on these expectations and understand how they affected my self-esteem, leading to the feelings of anxiety, depression at the times when I couldn't live up to those expectations. I've also realized that I held similar expectations for my daughter, my husband, family, friends, and judging them based on my own expectations. Meditation has helped me to be aware of these expectations and reflects on the source of those expectations, which usually comes from our past experiences. I have learned to focus on my actions rather than results by letting go of the concept of expectations. Now I'm trying to do my best instead of being slaves to those expectations. And the most important things, I practice the gratitude and appreciate everything in my life, even the small things. Thank you.